My life was never supposed to look like this, but today, at 18 years old, I somehow ended up on a yacht with millionaires on a Tuesday afternoon on an impromptu trip to Greece. And here's how it started.
She said, I would have lasted a day like, she said,
I'm not drinking water.
I would have been fine if it.
Saying I'm lost, still wondering my cost, still hit me then I bruise, cause I got nothing to lose. I can tell you that it's justice, bro. I'm saying I'm lost, still wondering my cost, still, cause I got nothing to lose. If you hit me then I bruise, I can tell you that it's justice, bro. Check, I doubt myself, don't doubt me. Worry that you're better off without me. It's like there's something that's around me. The ADHD, best and worst thing about me. I wonder if you never found me. Child, coconut kisses around me.
Boys, we fucking made it. I'm currently in Greece, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more work done. Wake up to a beautiful blue ocean out there, and get a taxi over to our villa that we're staying in for the week. Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. Let me just flip this fucking camera around right now. What is good, boys? Today is Saturday, September 14th. We are heading to the villa in a bit here. I want to shower up and have some breakfast downstairs and whatnot. Yo, peace out, bro.
So fucking rolled. Oh my god. Dude, if you kill him, oh.
Nah, we're
Going down the Yo, Joe. Yo, Joe.
raw honey and we need cheese too.
Yeah, good luck.
Work harder.
Even have a horn? Yo, Johnny, run over, dog. Survival? What's up, guys? We are making some eggs right now.
Yeah, I didn't accept it.
Oh, yeah. Got any good restaurants or kind of bars in mind?
Depends what else are you looking for.
Yeah, the guy was like, oh, wait, what?
Yeah.
Yep.
He had that.
This is ridiculous.
This shit is crazy, bro.
Jimmy? Damn. Yo, vlogging.
Yes, sir. This place is crazy.
Keenan's our loser for Jenny tonight, guys.
Milk, cream, and bacon bolognese. It's classic.
Fucking vodka.
Is it?
Even check our IDs and all that. They didn't even check our IDs.
Fucking straight vodka. I'm
So open.
Yeah, wait, let's wait to cheers this with you, bro.
Yeah.
Okay,
Cheers.
Greece.
we're on.
This is so cool.
Sick, bro.
Fucking
Oh my god.
insane.
It's actually showing us exactly that. We set our ads up and everything.
Here. This is for you.
Can you call me?
It's gotta be around here.
Yeah.
You find your phone? Someone slice almost.
Start it off.
Oh, you fucking Nick
I
at
need smoke. Dude, I need some Nick. I need a Nick. Dude, that was like not me. That was like so bad.
The car, bro. What the fuck?
They have left 2 windows open in the car though.
Bro. Literally, wait. Literally, the police is gonna come, bro. It's literally so hard. There's a shark, literally. Shark! Oh shit! Oh Bro, stay for a second. We need to get it.
Holy fuck!
Bro, I'm retarded.
Bro, what about
I'm not a tourist. I don't do stupid shit in my
What
country.
about you?
That shit was good. Worth it.
Was sick?
100% worth it. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Show me your dick.
It's not good, guys. I don't recommend you guys.
But the last goodbye, let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Let me down easy.
Yeah.
Let me down easy.
Gotta go! Okay.
Alright guys, so this is Owen Rensland, actually not a Dutchman. How many prospects do you have in mind already? Like how much like?
Hey.
At least 20.
And like have you already like threw them to the funnel? Like are they like warmed up?
Yeah, they're in the
Let's
they're
get
warm
boosters.
inbound leads.
Yeah.
Like the other night.
Get fucking
I set up a
boosters.
pre-call VSL and they're ready to be closed.
Bro got the measurements ready. But anyway guys, subscribe to Owen Rensland.
Yo.
Fucking banana split, bro.
I'm not finishing all this, bro.
It's a vlog. How's it going?
Absolutely
This guy
crunk.
is absolutely sauced right now.
Stay tuned.
Bro, me and Eric were at Monaco. Oh, fuck!
actually one of my.
Adam kept fucking with me, bro. It was insane.
You a man with jingles and he'll dance for you. In a worn out shoe
Welcome to the vlog.
with silver hair, a
What's up,
ragged shirt, baggy pants.
Let's go.
He would
Shit.
do the old soft shoe.
Oh. Let's go.
He would
boys.
jump so high.
Kiwa, how are you
jump
paying
so
today?
high.
Oh, I'm paying with free Bob.
Nah, bro. I'm
Then
with
he
the
lied
previous
to you.
pork pet.
Yo.
Touchdown.
Yeah.
Told me every
It's
time.
like it's a winter authority.
Minstrel show.
Never cool.
Traveling
Quick tip,
throughout the
bring your
South.
camera. Free shit.
Spoke with tears for 15 years. How is dog and he? They would travel about, but his dog up and died. Caught up and died. After 20 years, he still breathes. He said, I dance now and every chance in honky tonks for my drinks and tips. But most of the time I spend behind these counters.
Boys, where the fuck am I? This is the last and final night of Greece. I'm gonna go to Marbella pretty soon here, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. Look at that view. I actually cannot wait to see that view in the morning. Damn! Damn! So cool, so cool, so cool. So, time to go back to town. To the US, baby.